In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to work out the least common multiple, known as LCM, of any set of numbers using prime factors. The least or lowest common multiple of a set of numbers is the smallest of their common multiple. So let's find the LCM of 42 and 63. I'm going to take 42 and I'm going to write it as a product of prime factors. 42 is an even number, so I can start with 2. 2 times 21 gives me 42. 3 goes into 21 7 times. So I've gotten to the end of my tree. And all the numbers at the end of the tree are prime numbers. So I could write 42 as 2 times 3 times 7. Then I take 63 and I'm going to write it as a product of prime numbers as well. 3 times 21 gives me 63, and then 3 also goes into 21 7 times. So 63 can be written as 3 times 3 times 7. What I then want to do is I want to circle where numbers overlap in 42 and 63. So I have as an overlap 3 appearing in both and 7 appearing in both 42 and 63. To make it easier for me to work out what the lowest common multiple is, it is advisable to draw a Venn diagram to show where numbers overlap and where they don't. So I'm going to draw a Venn diagram. Then I'm going to write 42 in one of the circles and 63 on the right hand side. Where they overlap is the middle bit, so we're going to write the numbers that overlap in the middle. That's 3 and 7. Then the numbers that don't overlap, for 42 I write 2 inside the circle, and then I write 3 for 63. The LCM of 42 and 63 is basically multiplying all the numbers that appear in the circles. So LCM is 2 times 3 times 3 times 7. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. And 18 times 7 is 126. So 126 is the lowest common multiple of 42 and 63. What that basically means is the first number that occurs in both multiplication table of 42 and 63 is 126.